Hmm. It is a
எலி சொல்லக்கூடாது. Equals at rat.
at rat. Now you know how to blend sounds, ma. You need not refer to the picture also. Okay,
Yes,
those are finding difficult to read only. I have, for reference, I have given the picture. But we shall know you can read the word at rat. It is a rat. Now
படி. ஐடி அட் இல்ல ஐடி இட் ஐஎஸ்
mm, mm.
at
It is a mat. It is a mat. Okay. Next.
ஐடி அட் இல்ல
IT.
ஐஎஸ் என்னது
It is
plus
a.
at
Visha, don't confuse yourself. ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க Visha அம்மா, ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க, அவளே படிக்கட்டும். Slowly you yourself learn from the beginning. IT.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. IT is at a.
ஐடி என்னதுன்னு கேக்குறாங்க சொல்லு
At எப்படி வரும்? ஐயோட சவுண்ட் என்ன? What is the sound of I? Then at எப்படி வரும்? IT? It. IS.
ஐஎஸ் என்னது
IS is. சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க இப்போ. It is.
சேர்த்து சொல்லு ம்
Is.
இஸ்
ம். ம். Kappa.
நீ ஸ்பெல்லிங் பாரு பிக்சரை பார்க்காதீங்க
HAT.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma Vihan. At hat. You have to practice well, Visha. Don't refer to the picture. It is not a cap. Cap will be like this. Cap இப்படியா இருக்கும்? Yes? Have to learn, ma. Okay, thank you, Visha. Next is Hazel. Good morning, ma. Mitra, Hazel. Ah? Louder, Hazel. It is a rat. Yes, Mitra, mute yourself. Hmm. It is a mat. It is a hat. 1 minute. Hmm. The cat is on the mat. Very good. Hmm. 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 BED, bed. Okay? Bed. Slowly, ma. Hazel. Have to take it slowly. Very good, Hazel.
Read properly. Look there.
Keep your finger and read. Keep your finger on the screen and read. It. It is a fan. HE.
Look there. Look there. Next, what is this? This one. IS.
He is. He is a.
Look here. And.
And man. He is a man. Okay. Next. The.
And.
Look at the screen, ma. Look at the screen. And. What is and man? And. Ran. The.
Say the.
Man. Run. Okay. Next. Hmm.
Man
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
hot.
Hot. Very good. But with the pictures, you are very easy. You are feeling very easy to read, right? Ah. Now it
This
is
one.
going to be difficult.
This read. T-H-E.
The
And
man is
Mhm.
I-N.
in
Next. T-H-E.
the
And
man.
Very good. The man is in the van. The man is in the van. Again and again you have to read, Mahesh. Then only you will understand the sentence. Now we have started reading, no? Now what you should do? Repeatedly you have to read the sentence so that you will understand what is the meaning of it. The man is in the van. Okay. Thank you, Mahesh. Next is Vihan. Vihan.
The man is
Uh-huh.
the man
Keep the pointer finger in the screen.
the man is on the
Iron.
the
Mm.
van.
The man is in the van. Very good, ma.
The
Mm.
van is hot.
Very good, Vihan. Mm.
The man van.
Ran. Very good.
The
No.
man.
He. Vihan. Vihan. Vihan.
Network problem, ma'am. One
He
second.
Vihan.
a man.
Ma'am, you hear me?
Can you hear me, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am. You can hear us?
Hello. இது டேட்டா கூட
Okay, Mitra. Mitra.
You hear me now, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Brief. Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute, Mitra. Let me finish with Vihan. Mitra, 1 minute, Kana. Let me finish, okay?
He
Mute
is
yourself.
a man.
Again, I'm not able to hear this boy. Vihan.
1 second, ma'am. 1 second. 1 second.
Vihan.
Now, ma'am.
Vihan, if you can hear me, you can wait. After 5 minutes, I'll call you back, okay? You finish with your issues, okay? Yes, next, Mitra.
சரி, அப்ப படிக்கலாம்.
Mitra.
The cat is
Mm.
on the
Mm.
cat is on the bed.
Very good, Mitra. The cat is on the bed. How is it, Mitra? Your mom is here?
Sorry, can you repeat? I was not here.
You are here. How is she reading? Is she blending?
Yeah, she have some pictorial books.
Okay.
She have some stories and also so she continuously used to read the stories.
Yeah, fine. Because I just have a doubt whether she's assuming the word.
No, she can blend the words, man.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, next sentence, Mitra.
The cat is sad.
Mm. Very
The
good.
cat is sad.
Mm.
It is a fan.
Good.
He
Mm.
is a man.
Very good. He is a man. Good.
The man is ran.
The man is Rana. It's இருக்காங்க.
Man is ran.
The man ran. Okay.
man.
Mm.
The pan is hot.
Very good, Mitra. Thank you. Vihan, now your issues is cleared.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come on.
Pan is hot.
I
The pan is hot.
Mm. Mm.
The man ban.
Mm.
He
Mhm.
is a man.
Good. Mm.
It is a fan.
Very good.
It is a
I
the cat is fat.
Very good.
The cat is under bed.
Very good. Mm.
The cat is under mat.
Very good. Mm.
It is a hat.
Mm.
It is a mat.
Mm.
It is a bat.
Very good. Well done, Vihan. Super, Vihan. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Next,
ma'am.
yeah, welcome, ma. Next, who is here? Varsha. Varsha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Varsha. Read these sentences. Sukri Gautam, good morning, ma.
Eat,
Sri Taruneshwar.
eat, a ran.
Mm.
Eat, eat, a man.
Mm.
Eat, eat, a hat.
Good. Mm.
Eat, eat, a fan.
Mm.
He is a brand.
Good morning, Radyani. Good morning, ma. Man. Okay.
Eat,
No.
eat,
The.
eat,
The. And.
man,
Mm. The man ran. Very good. Mm.
the
Mm.
man
Mm.
is
Mm.
hot.
Good. Very good, ma. Thank you so much, ma, Varsha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome, Varsha. 1 minute. Jason is there. Jason. Jason is there.
Ma'am.
Jason, come on, read this sentence, Jason.
The hand on
Malini, mute yourself, ma. One more time, Jason. I didn't hear properly. I'm just noting it down. 1 minute.
the
Mm.
hand
Mm.
is
Mm.
fire.
Fire. H-O-T. Otter.
Hot.
The pan is hot. Why don't you blend? Smiling. Next.
The ma'am
Uh-huh. An. What is an? Blend it, ma. Man. And
the man running.
ran. The man ran. Next one.
Hat
H-E.
கரெக்ட் சொல்லு.
It
E.
is
ம்.
a variable.
Man.
He is a man. Okay? Jason, no playing Jason. Come on.
சொல்லு. ம். இங்க என்ன?
It
ம்.
is
ம்.
a
Mm.
variable.
Good. Ah.
It
இது ரெண்டாவது வார்த்தை.
is
ம்.
a hat.
Good. Mm.
It
இது.
is
ம்.
a
Mm.
book.
Ah?
Mat.
Mm.
At.
Matt.
Okay.
Mat.
Jason. Read properly, Jason. Ah.
It is
It.
it
ம்.
is
ம்.
a
ம்.
cat.
இது என்னது? வாசி லெட்டர் வாசி.
At.
At.
Go as another picture there.
இது என்னது? At rat.
Rat.
Chacho, Jason. Is this you? Huh? What happened today to Jason? He used to read very well. What happened today? What is at? At என்னதுமா?
Rat.
Rat.
ம்.
At rat.
Rat.
Okay, I'm noting down. One more time I'll be asking next week, Jason. Okay, read clearly. Okay. Next, one more person, then we'll start the session, children. Whom shall I ask? Sukriv Gautam.
மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
எதுக்கு?
இது சொல்ல சொல்றாங்க.
வேணாமா?
மேம் he told this ma'am can you change the next
Next one.
இது படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் வார்ம் அப் பண்ணுங்க. கண்டிப்பா மாம்.
Okay, fine. Sukriv Gautam, I don't want to pressurize you. Fine, okay. Next is Taruneshwar. Come on. Fast, Ma. We should start the session. Come on, read fast. IT. Hmm. Huh? It is a mat. Very good, Taruneshwar. IT. It. IS. Ama. One more time. I can't hear properly. It. Hmm. Very good. Come closer and say, Ma. I can't hear properly. Next. It. Hat. Hat. Tarnish's mom, I think there is issue with your audio. Now try this one. Taruneshwar. I can hear his voice very low only.
Say loudly.
Hmm. Hmm.
Loud.
Hmm. O-N. T-H-E. The. The cat is on the. At.
At.
Mat. தர்ணேஷ் நம்ம சொல்லி கொடுக்கல இல்லைங்களா? Come on.
Writing. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
It is. Very good. It is a fan. H-E. What is H-E? He. Yes.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Hmm. Very good, ma. Thank you, Taruneshwar. Now all of you children get up, stand up. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Ma'am, Radhiyani didn't say me.
Yeah, I'll call Radhia and his mom.
Okay.
We'll start the session. It's already 9:50. We'll start and then we'll continue after finishing the worksheet.
Okay.
Yes, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Hazel, Kidzi, Anta.
Wait.
1 minute. Kidzi Anthem.
Hey, you are with me. It's fine.
You're infinite. You're the wings. Today I pledge. Yes, very good, Hazel. Express train, very good. Well done. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning to everyone. Let's keep standing for the warm-up activity, children.
Yeah. Okay.
Like a crocodile. now stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop.
Very good. All of you go drink glass of water and come back, children. Dashwan. Dashwan. Dashwan.
இப்போ மட்டும் கரெக்டா மைக் ஆன் ஆகுதா?
Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Very good, Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radyarni.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radyarni. Rudvin. Very good, Rudvin. Sarah. 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 Sri Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukrit Gautam. I'm marking you, Sukrit Gautam. Visha. Very good. It's very good, Sukriv, and very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Dashwan, where is Kavi Kartika? Dashwan. Where is Kavi Kartika? Say, here I am, ma. Okay, then I'll mark absent for her. Okay. Next, Mahirni. Very good, Mahirni. Mitra. Mitra. Very good. Taruneshwar. Good. Varsha. Very good. Vihan.
Ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much, children. Okay, now all of you take your math worksheet, children. Take your math worksheet, and the number is D78MT. D78MT. You have numbers from 51 to 55, and the same D78MT, another worksheet you have 56 to 60. Come on, start writing it. Before that, write today's date. Today's date is 2929-10-2121. Start writing.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D78MT.
That 51, 52, ma'am. 51.
Numbers 51 to 60. 2 pages will be there. Finish
Okay.
the 2 pages, children. 51 to 60. Parents, let them write. Take their English notebook and copy down this. Children, you write, children, let your parents copy down the activity, okay?
Ma'am. Hello.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you say the page number once again, ma'am?
D78 MT.
78. Okay, ma'am.
Numbers from 51 to 62 pages will be there. Parents copy down in their English notebook along with pictures. They have to write the initial sound of the word. The heading is write the initial sound of the word. Children, you continue writing the math worksheet. Once you finish these 3, let me know. We have another 3 pictures.
In the name Donny Lauren, can you switch on your video?
Ma'am, that is Kavi Karthika, ma'am.
Power illa, ma'am.
No problem, ma. I heard it from Dashran. Finish these 3.
Yes. Fine.
Finished up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. These 2. Kavi Kartika, take your worksheet number D78 MT Kavi Kartika. Number 51 to 60 இருக்கு அதுல. அதை எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். No one is there?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, right. 5 words. I know you will finish. Are you writing neatly? Huh? This much fast you are writing. How is your handwriting? How is your handwriting, Hazel's mom?
It's good only, ma'am. It's neat.
Good only. I can't believe this, huh? Fine, Hazel. Little bit you have to slow down, Hazel.
Say okay, ma'am. Say okay.
Okay, va, fine. Hazel. Hazel. Let others do it. Shall we practice some words? Let me see you are able to blend. Come on, look here.
Let it go. No, it's okay.
I don't do the activity. Along with others only have to do. Come on. Read this word. She wanted to do the activity. Let her do. Let her do. Okay, you do, ma. It's very good, Mitra. You do it. Mitra, come on, read this word, Mitra. Huh? Super. Jam. AR is
No, ma'am, she
car.
read
Very
like
good.
care. She read like care. So.
Not care. Car.
Car.
Okay? Okay. Next we'll try. Let me try. Actually, your audio is echoing. I don't know why.
I know.
Ay, banna. நல்லா பாருங்க.
No, தங்கம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்குது என்ன?
Slowly.
Fish man.
B இன்னும் என்னது?
Bin. Very good. What is IT? It. Bit. Okay, very good. Yes. Thank you, Ma, Mitra. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Try reading these words. Come on. Ba in.
Ba
Hmm.
in.
Ba in together. Huh? Ba in.
Ba in.
Hmm.
In.
What is ba in?
See?
Okay.
In.
But
Bus. What is this?
Jeffrey.
Bin.
Bin.
Ah, now you got it. Ah, okay, fine. Bin, ba in, bin. Okay. Who finished next? After Kesha?
யார் சொல்லுங்க
Mahirniya.
yes.
Finished. Radhyani finished. Mahirni finished. Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Ah. Only one more word. Come on, Kesha.
Say.
Shepherd.
Hmm.
I
Iron.
am a pen.
Hmm. What? Pa in.
Pa in.
But in
Hmm.
pen.
Pen.
Pa in pan. Ah. Pa in.
But
What is pa in? Hmm. What is this?
What is this? What is
What
this?
is this?
Yes. Yes.
You
What
don't
is
know.
it? Pa in pin. Keshav's mom, you can try with more words like this. In, it, is. Okay,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that you can try.
Okay.
Then it will be easy for him to blend. Okay,
Yes,
no
yes.
need to wait for me because he's able to say all the phonic sounds.
Yes, ma'am.
So you
Okay.
need not wait for me. When he is free, you can give words like this: pin, bin, tin,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
then AR words, car. Like that you
Okay.
can teach him. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
car, and then jam, am, together jam.
Okay, okay.
So
Sure.
it will be easy for him to blend when you practice at home. Okay?
Yes.
No
Okay,
need
ma'am.
to go through all those at words and and words. Okay, he has finished
Okay.
that. Okay? Try new words.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. Next is Mahirni. Mahirni.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this word? Come on, read.
இந்த word read பண்ணுங்க.
Ananya is playing.
என்ன words? ஆ ஆ
C. C oda sound. What is sound of C? Phonic sound for C.
C-யோட சவுண்ட் என்ன க
Phonic sound, ma.
க இது
K. A-T.
at
Hmm.
ரெண்டு சேர்த்து
At. K. At.
என்னது
K. At.
க at
K. At. சேர்த்து சொல்லணும். K. At.
க at சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க என்ன வரும்
Cat.
cat
K. At. Cat. Okay. Next. What is the phonic sound of F?
இங்க பாரு இது பாருங்க
Mahini. Phonic sound of F.
ஃபிஷ் இல்ல சவுண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க
A-T.
சொல்லுங்க சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க
Hmm.
IT
For at. Huh?
at
Fat. Fat, fat. Correct only. At, fat. Very good. Like this only you have to practice reading at home, Mahini. Okay?
fatனா கொஞ்சம்
Okay, finish everyone. Did everyone finish your worksheet? Is there still anyone writing numbers worksheet?
Rehan is writing, ma'am. 59, 60 is pending.
Still, okay.
Sukri
Okay,
also
fine, Radhi. Okay, right. Radhyani.
Sound in a seeker.
A, I,
N,
hand. Ka, and என்ன? சத்தமா சொல்லு.
And
can,
Ah,
and can. Okay. Next.
bless her. Just sound என்ன?
roof,
Ah, ah, ah.
finish, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan.
Fan.
Fan,
Fan. Radhia and his mom, more practice is needed for Radhia and actually. She's not at all looking at the screen. How can I teach her? See here, Radhia, and if you are looking at your mom, you will not understand. Only when you communicate with me, you can understand. Okay, mommy will only tell you the answers. She will not teach you how to learn. Okay, so look at me and read this word. Radhia and his mom keep quiet, okay? Phonic sound. Don't look at your mama. Look at mom. Look at the screen.
சத்தமா சொல்லு sound.
A-N. A-N. What is A-N?
நீங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு மாமா.
Mummy answer சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. I have told her not to say the answer. You say A-N. What is A-N? What is A-N? நாம் என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன்? A-N என்னது? A-N என்னதுமா? அம்மா. எப்படி வரும்? This is N, no? An. An. Man. That's what. When you repeatedly guide them with telling the answers, they will frequently look at you. They will not at all try. Radhia நீ அம்மா ஆன்சரே சொல்லாதீங்க. வீட்ல சொல்லி கொடுக்கும்போது கூட ட்ரை பண்ணு. Like that only you have to say. சரிங்களா? ஒரு 2-3 வாட்டி ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு உடனே இதான் ஆன்சர்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா she will look at you only. All the time whenever I am asking her, she is looking at you. I don't know why. See, mummy will not tell you the answers. You yourself should read. Repeat after ma'am. An. And. And. Man. And man. Very good, Sukri. Finish. Good. Okay, like this you have to read. First read the 2-letter words an, at, as, and all. You should be clear, and then you can blend sounds. Okay. Thank you, Radhyani. Okay, take your English notebook, children. Take your English notebook. You are going to write the initial sound of the words, and the picture is given. First picture is pan. P and pan. P means what letter you will write? An is already given. You just have to write P over there. P means what you will write? P and pan. What will you write? What letter you should write? P means what letter, ma? Which letter you will write? Next picture is mat. Mat. At mat. At mat. Means what you'll write? Mom and the dad makes money. Good. Next is van. V and van. Rabbits ran round the village. Rabbits ran round the village. Rabbits ran round the village. Oh. And the next picture is can. K and can. We are clicking castanets. K, k, k. Not kites are flying in the sky. Not that k. We are clicking castanets. K, k, k. Very good, Varsha. Next is cat. The same. We are clicking castanets. K, k, k. Cat. K at cat.
Unmute பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ஏன் unmute பண்ணீங்க?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Finish. It's very good. Easily identified the letters? Good. Finish, Ananya, Visha, Vihan, Mahilini.
Yes, ma'am. Ananya finished.
Yeah, very good, Ananya. Sukri finished, very good. Vihan finished, good. Okay, next we are going to do our worksheet, children. Still who is writing? Jason? Why keeping on looking at your mama?
Ma'am.
Finished, ah? Good, Dashwan. Now only you finished the worksheet, Dashwan. What about the activity in classwork? Very slow nowadays, huh? Going to talk with your mama, see. Finish, everyone. Okay, now take worksheet number D8. Yes?
She said yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next worksheet is D80CT. This worksheet. D80CT. Body parts of a bird. Color the body parts of a bird or as mentioned below. The same worksheet is everyone having or different you are having? D80CT, it will be a homework worksheet. Same, huh? Yeah, same.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Okay, children, take it.
Yes.
Everyone took that worksheet. Take your crayon in your hand, any color crayon. You're not going to color, you just circle that place, children, okay? First body part you're going to circle is, page number is D80CT. You will have a page like this. Okay, first body part is eyes. So Arav, you have to circle the eyes part in this bird. Where is the eyes part? Circle it. Good. Next is tail. This one, tail. Tail எங்க இருக்கு? Circle. Find the tail of that bird and circle the tail. Third part is beak. Beak. We already did, no? Beak. See where is the beak and circle. Very good, Jason. Beak.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah. And next is wings. Always follow ma'am behind. Wings. Where is the wing? Circle the wings. When you go to school also, you should always follow the teacher. Then only your work will be perfect. Otherwise, you might make mistakes, okay? Wings. And parents, I kindly request you to ask your children to follow ma'am. Okay, now they are doing at home, no problem. But when they go to school, the same thing will continue. They will never follow teacher. So ask them, do along with the teacher. Even if it is slow also, let them wait and then follow teacher, okay? And the last part is head. 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 Very good. Finished head. Okay. Yeah, now the next worksheet, D80MT, the same homework worksheet. Can you please show me which picture do you have? The same one or a different one? D80MT, it will be written homework on top here. HA worksheet.
Same,
The
ma'am.
same one? Yeah, fine. Now come on, match the shapes, children. Match it. You can do it with your crayon itself, children, if you want. If you don't want pencil, you can do it with your crayon also. No problem.
Ma'am, Radhiyani can't understand, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, shapes, ma'am.
Shapes. What shapes do you have? See here.
என்ன பண்ணணும்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
Shapes இருக்கா இங்க? You have square, triangle, semicircle, circle, oval, star. 5 shapes you have here inside the circle. What you are going to do is you are going to match it outside with the objects. வெளியில இருக்க ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஓட உள்ள இருக்க ஷேப்பை மேட்ச் பண்ணனும். You have a square here. இங்க என்ன ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. இங்க என்ன ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்ல இருக்கு? See this one. Yes, so you will match the square shape like this. Okay, come on. Now you can understand. Purida?
Understand.
Do it. Understand, Vihana? Pallangamma. Start doing the worksheet. Look at your friends, they have finished it already. Come on. Triangle. இங்க triangle என்ன இருக்கு? இந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு வெளியில என்ன இருக்கு triangle shapeலன்னு பார்த்து மேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. Here triangle and here you have a triangle shape biscuit here. Triangle ஓட மேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. That's it. அவ்வளவுதான். Next, semicircle. Those who have finished, take worksheet number D81 empty, children. Don't color it, Radhiyani. First match it.
Finish that.
Take D, yeah, very good, ma. Sukri Gautam. D81 empty. Here, circle the light object. Light object means what is light object? Heavy and light we learn. What is heavy? Heavy means another. Heavy na weight or தூக்கவே முடியாது. You cannot lift it. But light na weightless. You can easily lift it. Okay, so here you are going to circle the light object. Take a crayon in your hand. Take a crayon in your hand. And you are going to circle the light object. எது weight இல்லையோ அதை circle பண்ண போறீங்க. Okay, that is light. Okay, so first picture, strawberry, pineapple. Which is very light. எது ஈஸியா இருக்கும்? Pineapple ஈஸியா இருக்குமா தூக்கறதுக்கு? Strawberry light இல்ல pineapple light? Pineapple is heavy. Strawberry is light. So which you will circle? Light. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yes, very good. Strawberry. Next line you have hippo. Sorry, hippo? No, rhino. You have a rhino and a dog. Which animal you can lift, children? Can you lift a rhino? Rhino தூக்க முடியுமா? No. Can you lift a puppy?
Yes.
Can you lift a puppy? Yes. So which is light? Puppy. Rhino is heavy. Puppy is light. So you have to circle the light picture here. That is the puppy. Next one, you have a ball here and a feather here. Okay, so how will you identify which is light? Okay, for example, can you blow a ball? Punu blow panna mudiyuma ball? Can you blow a feather? Pun feather blow panningina it will fly. But ball will fly if you blow? Ball poguma when you blow it, ball will go? No, very good. உருண்டுதான் போகும் ஆனா feather only it will fly. Very good, Mahirini. Good, don't stop her, Mahirini's dad.
That's true.
Let us say. No problem, I am hearing everything, no problem. See here, so which is light? Feather. Circle the feather. Good, ma, Mahirini. You say I hear, okay? Next is kettle, balloon. Which is light? Balloon or kettle? Balloon. Very good. Balloon only will fly in the air. But kettle, it cannot fly. Yes? So balloon only is light. Kettle is heavy. Finished? Yes, finished? Very good. Well done. Children, Saturday, Sunday, holidays, you have to practice reading adwords, amwords, and I have shared